Hey guys, let's talk about the EuFy camera night vision setup. As you can see, I have the SoloCam 340. Here's the light. This one allows you to see with color at nighttime, and there is also some infrared lights that you see black and white, okay? So basically here I have too much light, so the light is not coming on. So what I can do here is just take a look here with live video and then simulate some darkness, right? If I cover the lens here, for example, you see here on the cell phone that it turns on the light. So right now it's using the infrared light. When I release my hand here, when I move my hand, you're gonna see the infrared LEDs for a while. There we go. You see, just for a while, because the camera gets light again and it turns off the light, right? So you can set up here when you come to the settings. Let me just come here to settings. And then you go to video settings, right? The configuration is just right there. And night vision. See, right now it's night vision black and white. So we can change. So black and white vision, there's an explanation here. So the camera provides clear black and white night vision with IR LEDs when motion is detected at night, right? So there is motion detection, somebody moving in front of the camera is going to turn on the LED lights. And then you have color vision. So after activating this feature, the light will turn on automatically if the video is recorded or when you check the live video at night. So you don't need any motion in front of the camera. Just by visualizing the video here, you can see. Let me just check this one. So you see when you go live, you're gonna see the light, right? The light's going to work. Let me just come back to the main screen here. There we go. Then I'm gonna simulate darkness. There we go. Now it turns on the light. You see that still there's color. You see here my hand, right? It's color. And you see the light is here, right? So it's still working. And it keeps that way. It's different from the IR that just go away as soon as I don't have darkness anymore. The IR goes off. This light stays for a while, and then you're gonna have a warning here. There we go. Talking about the battery, because if you keep like this, you're gonna like consume all the camera's battery, right? But if you just move out from the live view, the light turns off again. So basically that's the way it works. You just can come here to the settings and set up everything here on video settings and then night vision. Right now I'm using color night vision. I can also turn it off, but that's the way it basically works, right? So now you know how to set up the EuFy camera night vision. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.